To my channel, Darrice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, a little bit of luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, this has been the long overdue, awaited luxury birthday haul, I guess we'll call it. But so if you want to see everything that I got for my birthday, which was last month, end of July, then make sure you keep on watching. But before we get started, if you have not hit the subscribe button yet, make sure you go ahead and do that. Make sure you guys are also hitting that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading these videos. Make sure you guys are all, commenting, sharing these videos, hitting that thumbs up button, because that's how I'm going to continue to grow here on this platform. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. So yes, guys, I am a Leo. It's Leo season, and every year I do these types of videos. This year is definitely not as big or not nearly as much things that I'm going to highlight that I got for my birthday, because this year for my birthday, I'll be honest with you, I really focused more on experiences. I just had like a lot of different things where I just got to connect with a lot of my friends and family this year. I went on a family vacation that was kind of like last minute a little bit, but I'm so happy that I went. So I didn't do get a lot of materialistic types of things, but I definitely got some awesome experiences and really got to embrace the people that I love. And it was amazing. So had a great birthday, and these are just some of the things that I collected over time. We'll just go ahead and just jump right in. I got not quite a few, but I got a nice little bit of things that I want to kind of highlight. Some new brands that I'm trying and all of that good stuff. Some luxury wish list items that we're crossing off. So keep watching. Let me go ahead and just start with the first item. And we're going to start with handbags, because honestly, that's what's right next to me on top. So the new brand that I want to talk about that I'm trying is Geiger. Now, I have not always, but I've kind of known about this brand for a nice little minute now, but never pulled the trigger on anything. And Nordstrom was having their anniversary sale. Shout out to Nordstrom. And they had some really good sales on their bags. So what I did was I went ahead and I just picked up a couple. The first one is one, of course, these are filling holes in my wardrobe and my handbag collection. And it's this one here. This is like a dressier bag. And as you can see, it just has the Geiger emblem on here. Now, what I loved about this bag is that it had the mixed gold and silver in there. So I think that's going to be perfect for mixing metals if you guys are into that. I really like that option. It has like the KGL, like, I don't know if that's it's not really engraved, but it's kind of inside of this, whatever this material is, this like hard plastic right here. And it's just a really nice evening bag, I would say. Now, I only carried this one time, and when I carried it, I really didn't wear it as an evening bag, I should say, but I definitely use it just like as a pop to kind of elevate my outfit. So it just opens up like this. Oh, there's a receipt in here. Let's go ahead and get that out. And the tag, of course. So yeah, nothing special. It didn't come with a dust bag or anything. No fancy packaging, nothing to unbox. But it definitely does have a removable crossbody chain, which I like. I think the drop on this is really nice. Actually, I'll kind of just throw it over me for a second here so you guys can kind of see where it kind of stops at. So yeah, it just is a nice little accent piece, I would say. And another, like, a great way for me to try out the brand. This was on sale for, I want to say, $80. We love that. I forgot what the original price is, but it wasn't no $80. I'll put it on the screen though. But yeah, I really like this. So I went ahead. This is my like first ever Geiger bag. So I was like, oh, it's my birthday, perfect time to go ahead and try it out. And it was on sale. So that's item number one. And of course, the next item is another item, again, filling holes in my handbag collection. I did not really have a lot of pops of color. As you can see, my handbag collection remains pretty basic, pretty black, neutrals. Rarely do I ever experiment with color with my handbags. But this year I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it while it's on sale. So this is another bag from Geiger in this kind of like PVC color. I also don't have anything PVC, like this PVC material. And I really like this one because it had like the pink on pink hardware. It's not like it's pink with like gold. It's like pink with like another, or maybe this is more like a fuchsia. But yeah, I kind of like how it's like really like muted in the color, like it's all one color. And I thought this would be great to kind of bring out like a pair of sandals that I have that are in this same shade of pink, or just for summer in general, even though summer's almost over, sadly. But yeah, so I thought this was cool. This was also on sale. I believe I paid $120 for this on sale, which was really good. It does not pass my handbag test though. It doesn't have a back pocket, but because of the color and it's just a fun bag and the price point, I didn't get too technical with that. But yeah, so I went ahead, I picked this up. Again, another crossbody bag, but I can, you know, make it kind of like a shoulder bag if I wrap it like around up underneath here. Show you, which I think is cool if I hit this. Yeah, but as you guys can see, I went ahead and kind of shortened the strap a little bit here, so I thought that was pretty cool. Put it on just like that, so you kind of get a gauge of how it looks on. I think it's just cool for summer. I really like it. So, yeah, so I just was a great way to introduce me into the brand. Didn't spend too much. I mean, again, these are just fun bags. This is not like quality on. This is just not like super high quality, but it's not bad quality either. I mean, again, it's a PVC kind of clear bag, so you guys get where I'm going with this. But yeah, I think it's really cool if you want something to just kind of add a little pop to your wardrobe and you don't want to break the bank. So far, so good with these. Okay, so the next item is actually a luxury handbag that I got pre-loved because your girl, we all about affordable luxury on this channel, so we don't break the bank if we don't have to. Filling another hole in my wardrobe. I did not have any bag in like a silver metallic color, so I got one. And I didn't get just any one. This is a Miu Miu handbag. So I don't know if you're familiar with Miu Miu. It's like a division of Prada. I don't see a lot of people talk about Miu Miu, but Miu Miu is definitely a luxury brand, and the price point of Miu Miu is definitely a luxury price point. It's up there with the Prada price points. I mean, this bag, if you were to get it now, something similar to this is going to retail for like at least over $2 grand. I ain't pay that. You guys already know we don't do that over here. But yeah, so I thought this was a really good quality bag for pre-loved. And when I tell you guys how much I paid for it, you guys are probably going to like not believe me. So I'll just first kind of go ahead and walk through the things that I loved about this bag, how it pretty much checks everything that I want or need in a handbag off. So for one, it has a top handle. You guys know I'm a top handle girl. You guys know if it has a flap, I prefer it to have a back pocket that I can just easily access in the back. And then this is a roomy bag, and it has a crossbody strap. That's a given. You guys see, my bags have to have a crossbody strap now. There's just no, I don't need a shoulder bag without it needs to have a crossbody strap. But anyways, oh wait, we're gonna cut this part out. But yeah, so like, I mean, it opens really wide. There's a lot of space in there. It has a pocket here. I mean, this bag was like, wait, y'all want this for how much? Put it in, throw it in the bag. Yeah, and then it just kind of clamps closed like this, which now this part can be a little annoying, but I don't really be needing to clamp it all like that because again, I just go straight to the back pocket. I don't really go in this big part often. Anything I need fits back here perfectly. I don't carry that much stuff either. But yeah, so I love this bag. I love it so much. I thought it was just perfect. It was not too casual, not too dressy, because what I was finding with silver bags, I don't know, I didn't want it to be like dressy, and that's what I kept running into with like the designer bags I was seeing that was silver. This was a nice cross between the two, so I really like this. I love the fact that this strap is removable. I just think it's a great bag. So yeah, and I only paid $75 for it, y'all. Trust me, I know how to shop when it comes to luxury. So when they accepted my offer for that price, I was like, oh, you can't beat that. So yes, y'all, I literally got this for under $100, and it's probably now retailing at least for well over $2 grand. So if I find anything similar at a, you know, decent price point, I'll definitely link it below. But yeah, so that is it for the handbags. Cause y'all, I didn't have any of this stuff on my luxury wish list. I don't think the handbags that I did have, we'll save that for another video. I'm gonna end up updating my luxury wish list because I think I did it all wrong, y'all. It's not working out like that. All right, so let's go ahead and move into jewelry because your girl got some jewelry pieces. Now, while I was on vacation, my mom treated me to a pair of earrings that I just think they're so gorgeous. She actually got me a bracelet too, but I forgot to go grab it. So for the sake of this video, I'll definitely talk about the earrings that she bought me because they were absolutely beautiful. I got it from a shop that was at Broadway at the beach, which is like a tourist attraction in Myrtle Beach that has all these different like boutiques and shops and restaurants. Really nice, really fun place. So let me go ahead and show you the earrings because on my luxury wish list, I said I wanted to get into fine jewelry this year. So we're doing just that. Me and jewelry this year, I have really been doing well with that portion of the luxury wish list. So here it is. Here they are, I should say. And they're beautiful. I love these earrings. I'm trying to get them out the box so you guys can kind of see. But they're like this gorgeous sterling silver paired with like these like diamonds. If you could see kind of them in there. And they were on a really good sale. Price, I think they were like 70% off. So they normally were like, I think $300, and we got them for she got them for a really good deal. So I think these are absolutely beautiful. I love these earrings. They're so perfect, so dainty, and they're literally like my everyday earring. If I did not have to do this video, I would have had these earrings on over these, but since I had to film and I wanted to show you guys one of my gifts that I got while I was there, I definitely wanted to kind of show you these because these are very sentimental to me. I love them. I always wear what people give me, too. I'm just one of those people. If you take time to buy me something, I'm definitely going to highlight it. So yeah, I went ahead and got these. So that's a part of my luxury wish list where I said I really want to get into like more fine jewelry. Okay, guys, it's hot in here. The last couple of items are a pair or shoes. So your girl, we updated the list a little bit in the shoe area too. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into what that looks like. Your shoes are by Dolce and Gabbana. I got these pre-loved. You guys already know. Now listen. Rule of thumb, I don't like all pre-loved shoes. My friends that know me, if you know, I'm like kind of funny with that. But if they're like pretty much brand new condition, they don't look worn or anything, I'm starting to be a little more flexible in that area. So these were like perfect condition when I got them. And they're just what's the name of this shoe? I can't even think of. I thought they would have had something on the box to tell you the name, but I guess not. But there are these. I'm sure you guys have seen these shoes though before, and I've worn them in a vlog. But they're just these gorgeous little sandals that has like the DG logo right there. And I'll post like a little video or insert a little video of me wearing these because I wore them on vacation, and I've worn them just a few times because even though they are nice, good quality sandals, they're just not a pair of sandals that I want to wear in the ground. Like I typically wear these if I'm going to like a nice dinner and I don't want to wear heels. This is the shoe I put on. I don't wear this to like backyard parties, backyard barbecues, cookouts, none of that. These don't get worn there. These are like, I'm going to dinner. I'm going to be walking maybe just a little bit. I don't want to wear a heel, but I still want to look elevated. That's what this is. These are in a size 41. The fit is okay. I have a wide foot. It took a little minute to break them in. But the price point, I think these normally retail for like close to, I think a little over $600 or maybe $700. I got them for $200. So you guys already know we all about affordable luxury on this channel, but I really like them. I really did. I love just how they're simple, but they still kind of have that little detailing. I was in the market for a pair of black sandals. And the ones that I did have that I thought I was going to be getting was the hermes oran sandals. And if you've seen in my Florida vlog, they just didn't work for me. And I don't know if I just need to break them in or I should take the chance of getting them and trying to break them in. You guys let me know. But I don't know. Those shoes were like extremely painful for my width of foot. So I kind of was scared, especially for the price point. I'm like, I'm not spending this kind of money and then this shoe don't work. So I went ahead instead and just picked these up in its place because I still wanted like a luxury pair of sandals that I could wear. I'm still trying to find the perfect white pair, so I may end up just getting maybe something like these if I find them in white or something, because they're really nice. But yeah, I picked these up, and this was before my birthday. This was maybe like May when I got these. So again, this is kind of like a collective luxury haul, but we gonna just count it towards my birthday as well, since you guys have not seen them. And they did come with a dust bag, y'all. Don't ask me where it is. All right, guys, we finally made it to the last item. I feel like this video is longer than I expected it to be, but maybe because I'm really going into detail about what I got. So last but not least, this item, I don't even have a story. I got these because they were a really good deal. I don't have anything in this color, but I figured I had a couple outfits that would match. Good price was right. So I kind of did like an impulse buy, and I have not even worn these yet. So the item is by Fendi. These I got again pre-loved, found them on super sale. I need to stay off of this app. It's Vestiaire Collective that's been getting me in trouble, y'all. But the deals are so good. I mean, these are like cheaper than Jordans. So let me go ahead and show you what I got, because people probably seeing this stuff like, what, she got all that? But yes, y'all, it was such a good deal, and I really like these. So here they are. They're a pair of sneakers. They still even have the little tag on them, y'all. But yes, y'all, look at this color for fall. I'm so excited, and they're so understated. It's like, okay, you can kind of see the Fendi logo on there, but you got to really be up on the shoe. I mean, it does say Fendi going up the back, but I just love the design. I love the color, the oranges, the blacks, guys. So yes, I got these. These come with a dust bag as well, but for some reason, y'all, please excuse me, I have not been. My daughter like gets into my shoe boxes, and then she like takes the dust bag out, and it just turns into a whole ordeal. But yeah, so here they are. These were in a size, what size is this, y'all? 41.5, so a little bigger, but they fit really, really well, believe it or not. And they are just so nice. I'm so excited to wear these for fall. These definitely scream fall to me. So I think that's the main reason I haven't really pulled them out, because I'm just waiting for the perfect occasion, the perfect weather to wear them. And it's just been so hot, and this is not really giving summer to me or spring. These definitely are giving like more of a fall shoe. So yeah, I love them, and they will be getting worn. And do you see the condition of these shoes though? I mean, these pretty much look brand new. And I mean, I'm impressed. I really am impressed with like the quality, the condition. I mean, they have a few scuffs here and there, but for the price point that I paid for them, which of course was, I think about $200. And they normally think retail for like $800. So again, I mean, I'm getting really, really good deals. Again, these are cheaper than like, you know, these overhyped sneakers that are out here. So if you guys are in the market, for like a luxury brand sneaker, don't sleep on the pre-loved websites. They have some. I mean, of course, don't get just the most rundown sneaker, but I said I even had to learn and eat my words a little bit, because I'm like, okay, so these aren't bad. These don't have, I'm thinking about odors and things, and none of the shoes that I've purchased pre-loved so far has really given me that vibe. So really, really excited about all these items. I feel like I got some awesome deals. Like I said, I had a great birthday, and I kind of want to just come on here and just show you and highlight what I purchased. Even though I purchased a lot of these things for myself, I did get a lot of monetary gifts that kind of helped go towards a lot of these purchases. So again, very satisfied with, you know, everything that I got. I didn't overdo it this year. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and if you made it this far, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.